Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a captivating journey into the world of top 11 business ideas in the vibrant city of Hong Kong. Today, we invite you to join us as we explore a tapestry of creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurial spirit. From personalized plant subscriptions to immersive art installations, each idea we present is a testament to the beauty and limitless possibilities within the business realm. In this enchanting video, we'll delve into a realm where imagination knows no bounds, unconventional ideas flourish, and dreams transform into reality. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be inspired as we unravel the allure of these extraordinary business ventures that are waiting to be discovered in the bustling streets of Hong Kong. Experiential learning workshops. Experiential learning workshops provide hands-on educational experiences that go beyond traditional classroom settings. By organizing workshops focused on practical skills, creative arts, or personal development, you can offer individuals opportunities to learn, grow, and connect with like-minded individuals. Whether it's a photography workshop, a woodworking class, or a mindfulness retreat, this business idea appeals to lifelong learners, hobbyists, and those seeking personal and professional development in a supportive and interactive environment. Ethical fashion boutique. Ethical fashion is a growing movement that promotes sustainable and socially responsible clothing. By opening an ethical fashion boutique, you can offer customers a curated selection of eco-friendly, fair trade, and locally sourced clothing and accessories. This business idea aligns with the values of conscious consumers who seek stylish and high-quality fashion while making a positive impact on the environment and supporting ethical production practices. Smart home consulting. With the rapid advancement of technology, smart homes have become increasingly popular. As a smart home consultant, you can offer expertise in integrating and optimizing smart devices, home automation systems, and security features. By assessing clients' needs, recommending suitable technologies, and providing installation and setup services, you can help homeowners create intelligent and connected living spaces. This business idea caters to tech-savvy individuals, homeowners looking to enhance their living environments, and those interested in energy efficiency and convenience. Customized culinary experiences. Food is a universal passion, and customized culinary experiences offer a delightful way to indulge in unique and personalized dining adventures. As a culinary entrepreneur, you can curate personalized menus, private chef services, or themed dining events that cater to individual tastes, dietary preferences, or special occasions. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two, a cooking workshop with friends, or a gastronomic journey through different cuisines, this business idea offers a memorable and mouth-watering experience for food lovers and those seeking exclusive dining experiences. Personalized bookbinding and restoration. Personalized bookbinding and restoration is a niche business idea that caters to book lovers and collectors. With expertise in bookbinding techniques and restoration, you can offer services to repair damaged books, preserve valuable editions, and create personalized and custom-designed book covers. This business idea appeals to individuals who value the preservation of books as cherished possessions, as well as authors, publishers, and libraries looking to enhance the aesthetic appeal and longevity of their literary works. Digital detox retreats. In our fast-paced digital world, digital detox retreats provide a much-needed escape from screens and constant connectivity. These retreats offer individuals the opportunity to disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature, themselves, and others. Through a variety of activities such as mindfulness practices, outdoor adventures, and wellness workshops, participants can rejuvenate and find balance in a tech-free environment. Digital detox retreats cater to individuals seeking relaxation, self-care, and a break from the demands of modern technology. Upcycled furniture boutique. Upcycled furniture boutiques offer a sustainable and creative approach to interior design. By transforming old or discarded furniture into unique and stylish pieces, you can provide customers with eco-friendly and one-of-a-kind home decor options. Each upcycled furniture item has its own story and character, making it a truly special addition to any space. This business idea appeals to environmentally conscious individuals, interior designers, and those who appreciate the beauty of repurposed and sustainable furniture. Interactive art installations. Engage and inspire audiences with interactive art installations. These captivating experiences combine art, technology, and interactivity to create immersive environments that stimulate the senses. From projection mapping that brings static objects to life to motion sensors that respond to visitors' movements, interactive art installations offer a unique and participatory way to appreciate and engage with art. This business idea appeals to art enthusiasts, event organizers, museums, and corporate clients looking to create memorable and interactive experiences for their audiences. Customized 3D printed prosthetics. Customized 3D printed prosthetics revolutionize the field of assistive technology. By leveraging the power of 3D printing, you can create personalized and affordable prosthetic limbs for individuals in need. Each prosthetic can be custom designed and tailored to fit the unique needs and preferences of the user. This business idea not only provides functional and aesthetically pleasing prosthetics but also empowers individuals to regain their independence and enhance their quality of life. It requires collaboration with medical professionals, designers, and engineers to ensure the highest level of precision and comfort in the prosthetic devices. Urban beekeeping services. Urban beekeeping services offer a sustainable solution to support pollination and honey production in urban areas. By maintaining beehives within the city, you can provide honey, beeswax, and educational experiences to the local community. Urban beekeeping not only contributes to urban biodiversity but also raises awareness about the importance of bees and their vital role in the ecosystem. This business idea appeals to environmentally conscious individuals, health-conscious consumers seeking local and natural honey products, and organizations interested in promoting sustainability and ecological initiatives. Personalized comic book creation. Personalized comic book creation is a creative and unique business idea that allows customers to become the heroes or heroines of their own stories. Working with talented artists and writers, customers can have personalized comic books created, complete with customized illustrations, storylines, and dialogue. Whether it's a fantasy adventure, a superhero tale, or a heartwarming family narrative, the personalized comic book becomes a cherished keepsake that immortalizes special moments, interests, and memories. This business idea caters to comic book enthusiasts, families, couples, and individuals looking for a truly personalized and one-of-a-kind storytelling experience. Personalized plant subscriptions. Personalized plant subscriptions are a unique business idea that brings the beauty of nature to people's homes or offices in a personalized way. Each month, customers receive a carefully selected plant tailored to their preferences and living space. They can enjoy the benefits of indoor greenery while adding a touch of natural beauty to their surroundings. The subscription service can offer a variety of plants, from low-maintenance options for busy individuals to rare and exotic plants for enthusiasts seeking unique additions to their plant collections. Personalized travel itineraries. Hong Kong is a vibrant city with countless attractions, cultural experiences, and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. With personalized travel itineraries, you can create tailor-made journeys for tourists based on their interests, preferences, and length of stay. By carefully curating a mix of popular landmarks, off-the-beaten-path destinations, local cuisine, and cultural experiences, you can offer visitors an unforgettable and truly personalized trip that goes beyond the typical tourist experience. Customized perfume creation. Customized perfume creation offers a truly personal and unique scent experience. Customers can embark on a journey of self-expression and creativity by selecting from a range of high-quality fragrance notes and working with a perfumer to create their signature scent. Whether they prefer floral, woody, or oriental fragrances, the perfumer will guide them in blending different notes to achieve a fragrance that reflects their personality and style. Customized perfume creation appeals to individuals seeking a scent that is as unique as they are, making it an ideal business idea for those passionate about perfumery and personalization. As we bring our journey to a close, we hope you have been captivated by the extraordinary world of unique and untapped business ideas in Hong Kong. We have witnessed the power of personalization, sustainability, and creativity that intertwines with the heartbeat of this vibrant city. From personalized plant subscriptions that bring nature's beauty into our lives, to immersive art installations that ignite our senses, each business idea we explored holds the potential to create a lasting impact. These ventures not only cater to the evolving desires of customers but also contribute to a more sustainable and interconnected community. So, to all the dreamers and aspiring entrepreneurs out there, remember that within these untapped ideas lies the opportunity to bring your passions to life, to weave your own stories of success, and to leave an indelible mark on the world. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey. May you find inspiration in the unique, beauty in the unconventional, and success in the unexplored. Until we meet again.